today's video, I'm answering the question, is it better to explore independently or with the help of a guide? The short answer is, if you can do both, do both. They're both very useful in different ways. The longer answer is, there may be some things that you never fully understand about yourself if you're exploring independently by yourself. The one-on-one guidance of a guide, such as myself, can be very, very useful in getting at those things that you just can't quite reach on your own. And yes, I do video explorations also, so don't worry if you don't live in Toronto, where I'm from. Of course, if you are in Toronto, my downtown studio is a little slice of heaven that you'll definitely want to check out when you can. But video explorations are equally effective, just perhaps not as exciting as being able to do it in person. One of the points of arts explorations is to access parts of yourself that are hidden deeper down. So you have your conscious thoughts, of course, which you can access anytime, and you know exactly what you're thinking and what you're going to do and how you're feeling. And then there are those thoughts and feelings that are deeper down, they're hidden under some layers. And some people might call this unconscious thoughts, some people might call this subconscious thoughts. There are so many different ways to say it, and everybody's definition is just a little bit different, and some people are very picky about what their definition is. But I'm not going to use the words unconscious or subconscious in this because I don't want to get caught up in definitions. It's just important to say that there are some things about yourself that are hidden beneath the surface, and that's what arts explorations are here to help you discover. The main point is, there's some really, really valuable information hidden in those deeper thoughts and emotions. And if you're able to access them through arts explorations, particularly with the help of a guide, but also on your own, then you'll be able to use that information in order to make your life that much better, that much more fulfilling, that much more enjoyable. For many different reasons, some of our thoughts and feelings can get buried deep, deep down, and we don't know what they are anymore. We don't know where they came from. We don't even know that we're having these thoughts and feelings sometimes, but they're affecting us. They're affecting our behavior, and they're affecting the emotions and thoughts that we do know we're having. So it's very, very useful to be able to access these and to be able to bring them up and to know what they are and explore them. Explorative Arts aims through videos and through one-on-one guided explorations to help you understand what those thoughts and feelings are and to explore them at their core, to know why you're doing what you're doing and why you're feeling what you're feeling, so that you can use this information to make your life that much more enjoyable and fulfilling. Who wouldn't want to do that, right? For some people, following the arts explorations that I give online, that you can do independently yourself at home, is enough to get you to access all of those thoughts and feelings and to use that information to make your life that much better and to feel pretty great. For other people, it might not be quite enough. Those people might have defenses that are just that much stronger to stop them from being able to access the hidden thoughts and feelings, and they might need a guide to help them navigate all that complexity and to be able to get through those defenses in order to be able to understand better. As you do more and more arts explorations through these videos, it'll become pretty clear to you which category you fall into. If you find yourself having all kinds of breakthroughs and interpreting things and just being more and more creative and full of potential and feeling more and more brighter and hopeful about your life, well, chances are you probably fall into the first category and you're doing pretty well without a one-on-one guide. And the videos independently yourself at home are more than enough for you. If you do the videos and you're doing arts explorations at home day after day after day, and you're just finding it difficult to let loose and just get beyond and maybe find a more creative spark, then it's possible that you are falling into that other category of person who would really, really benefit from having some one-on-one guidance. Before placing yourself firmly in either one of these categories, I recommend doing at least 10 arts explorations videos at home yourself. Some people simply take longer to warm up to a new experience. It's like jumping into a lake. Some people want to just dive right in, whereas others take a little while. They want to kind of dip their toes in first, kind of slowly wade in to get used to the water by degrees. And regardless of which category you've placed yourself in, whether you're one of those people who may require one-on-one guidance, or one of those people for whom it just has added effects, I definitely recommend continuing to do the arts explorations at home, yourself independently, as perhaps a daily practice or just a couple of times a week. There are so many benefits to engaging in arts explorations no matter how you do it, and many of these aren't immediately apparent. And the simple act of engaging in arts for well-being is such a self-caring and healing activity. We don't give enough time to ourselves generally. We're so busy running around doing all these things that we don't just take the time to take 10-15 minutes for ourselves. And arts explorations definitely give you a chance to do that. Plus, you're engaging in the arts. It also gives you the chance to have a new experience twice a week. And new experiences can be very overrated, but they can also be very underrated. We often forget how good just having a new experience is for our development and our continued development as a person throughout life. It keeps our minds in shape. It's pretty much like going for a 10-mile jog and HIIT and Pilates and yoga all combined into one. For the mind. Your mind needs as much exercise as your body, and we often forget about that. And we think, oh, I've already had my education, I've already done all this, I don't need to keep working on my mind. But the truth is, why not? Why not keep exercising it and allowing yourself to grow in a really fun, easy way? I hope this has helped answer your question, and I look forward to answering many more. Have an explorative day.